Nightwatch can help you filter backlinks into different segments based on various fields and conditions. Here's how you can segment your backlinks. At the left sidebar of your website's dashboard, under Backlinks, click Add New View. Next, select a field. For example, you can filter links that are dead or active, based on their URL rating and domain rating, or based on a specific word. Then, select the relevant condition. To save the specific filter, type in a name and click Save. Your custom backlink segment view will now appear on the left sidebar for quick access. Additionally, in the overview on top, you can see the performance of the backlink segment. This will help you keep a close eye on any changes in your backlinks and see how they're affecting your website.